paving like you mean it. Woo!
Welcome back to my job. Last time I got to chat with y'all, we're still doing subgrade, dumping rock, setting rock, and putting down 19 millimeter. In the last 5 days, we finished up all the rock, setting the rock up, finished up all the 19 millimeter, almost 7,000 tons worth, and we're halfway through putting the topping down, 12.5 millimeter. Everything looking good, and the crews are kicking butt for me. What do you say, Mule? What do you think the job's looking like?
Looking good so far. If I can get you out of the truck, we'll be doing okay.
Yes, Raymond.
Hey, 1,500
1,500.
Yeah, we're gonna put 300 down real quick.
All right, so we got about 356 more tons of the 12.5 with lines.
Now we'll go from there. Don't dare shut down without calling me.
10-4.
So how long have you been at Stewart Brothers?
I've been here working like 4 years in the Stewart Brothers, but I got like 8 years when the Asphalt. And my group is like right now it's cool because somebody just the loop, rolling, and the paving, the screwmen.
Yeah.
This cool everybody.
Everybody's doing good?
Yeah, bueno, muy bueno. You know, being here, I like my job, you know, and I try to do like very good job. When my bosses, my jefes,
Yes.
they say good, you know.
Buen trabajo.
Buen trabajo.